After we got the motor, we realized we needed a 2-ton engine hoist because our previous engine hoist had died. Y'all know how it go, man. We got to keep it pushing.
Just stop and see. Love don't live here anymore.
So as you can see, the engine hoist build got us all the way through. It worked out, and it's gonna assist us moving forward when we drop more motors. So, using the old noodle does not hurt at all. Use your brain, use your resources. Make sure you leave a comment for Mr. C if you have any questions about the 2-ton engine hoist build. We're here to help.